Before you make another phone call, stop. Your Android phone may be sharing more information than you realize, including your location, contacts, and other personal data. The scary part, most of these settings are turned on by default. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to secure your phone and protect your privacy with a few simple settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your phone settings. First, swipe up on your phone and tap on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Now find and select the phone app. Step 2. Stop the phone app from changing your settings. Scroll down until you see an option called Change System Settings. Many Android phones have this enabled by default. This allows the phone app to make changes to your device settings. Personally, I prefer being the only one who can change my phone settings. If it's turned on, switch it off. Step 3. Check what permissions your phone app has. Go back and tap permissions. You might be surprised by how much information your phone app can access. You'll likely see permissions such as call logs, contacts, location, and more. To see everything, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select all permissions. You will notice permissions that allow the app to read contacts, modify contacts, view network connections, and more. Step 4. Turn off location access. Now let's focus on one important permission. Location. Ask yourself this question. Does my phone app really need to know where I am just to make and receive calls? For most people, the answer is no. Tap location and change it to don't allow. That's one more piece of personal information protected. Step 5. Turn on spam call protection. Next, go back to the phone app settings and find caller ID and spam protection. If this feature is off, your phone may not warn you about scam calls or spam callers. Turn it on, then select the option to block spam and scam calls for extra protection. This can save you from annoying calls and potential scams. Step 6. Check for recorded calls. Go back and look for a section called recorded calls. Some users don't even realize their calls may be saved here. Open it and check if there are any recordings stored on your device. If you don't want recordings hanging around, enable automatic deletion after 1 month or manually delete any recordings you no longer need. Step 7. Make sure call forwarding is disabled. This is an important one. Sometimes call forwarding can be enabled without you realizing it. Open your phone's keypad and dial #21#, then tap call. Your phone will show whether call forwarding is active or not. If call forwarding is enabled and you don't want it on, dial #002#, then press call. This will disable any active call forwarding settings and make sure your calls aren't being redirected somewhere else. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have taken important steps to improve your Android phone's privacy and security. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment secure below so I know you're protecting your phone. I'll see you in the next video.